How to change a password on Changelly? Are you guys facing issue to change your account password on Changelly website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for Changelly website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Now, simply tap on Settings. After you click on Settings, you will be forwarded to this interface. Look at the first option, Change Password. You are looking to change a password, right? Click on Old Password. In this section, you need to write down the old password that you used before to log in into this account. Once you write down your old password, write down the new password. Make sure the password is strong and you can remember it too. Now again re-enter your new password. Once you fill up all these details, just simply tap on save and your new password will be changed. That's it guys. That's how you're going to change your password on Changelly. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.